Hello everyone, again welcome. Today we are going to show you that amazing and unique ideas of creative wall hanging with wooden, cardboard or recycling things. Benefits of recycling. We have shared something amazing and unique for our viewers and a special subscriber. Hope you enjoying that very well, and I hope you enjoying the all ideas and designs. We want to share some amazing and unique designs for everyone who wants to create something new and beautiful. In this video we are sharing unique and amazing beautiful designs, wall hanging with something old cardboard, old unique, old recycling things and benefits of recycling. And who is commenting on my channel, who is sharing your thoughts, it would be really nice of you, and I'm really happy to see that your comments are very valuable for me, and it works good for me. Recycling wooden old for Christmas decoration, benefits and mindfulness. Here are very amazing and unique designs. Here are very amazing wall hanging decoration ideas. So today we are explored something unique and rustic. We will recycling old wooden oars boards and turning them into beautiful X-Max decoration. These boards crafts bring a coastal vintage touch to your holiday decor while also helping the planet by reusing and recycling. And as always, we will talk about the mindfulness and emotionalness calm that comes from creating with our hands. So let's begin our journey for crafting, creativity and calmness. Start by taking any old wood cards or pedals you have, maybe from a boat, thrift store or garage. Clean the surface and lightly sand it to remove dust or roughness. You can leave some scratches for that rustic weather charm, because imperfection tells a story. Now paint your cardboard and old wooden pieces soft white, red or green X-Max shades. And if you want to stay in rustic so you don't paint and refresh this, you can also add jute wrapping small bells or twine bows for a handmade touch. Try painting joy, noil or peace on the blade part of the board. Each brush strokes becomes a mindful action, slow, steady and peaceful. There are so many creative ways to use recycled boards and X-Max decor. Idea number 1. Wall hanging. Hangs two boards crossed like an X and decorate the center and with the jute bow and pine cone and fairy lights. It makes perfect rustic X-Max wall accent, simple yet artistic. Entryway display. Place the board vertically beside your door and wrap it with string lights, holly leaves or X-Max tag. This instantly gives your home a cozy, welcoming feel. Lay a small board across the dining table and decorate with candles, pine cone or glass jars. It is an elegant mix of nature, creativity and repurposing. Idea number 4. Themed X-Max. If you love the coastal vibes, decorate board with seashells, white sand, paint and starfish ornaments. It reminds us that X-Max joy can blend beautifully with nature's calm energy. Recycling wooden boards isn't just creative, it's meaningful. You are saving wood from waste and saving in a new life. Every recycle piece helps reduce pollution and keeps our planet cleaner. No need to buy expensive decoration. With simple paints, jute and a new natural materials. You can create charming decor at almost no cost. As you clean sand, paint, and decorate, your mind slows down. You enter a calm state, focusing on each step, each color, and each detail. This is simple process reduces anxiety, helps manage stress, and gives a sense of accomplishment. Crafting with the recycled materials also teach us gratitude, to appreciate what we already have and to see beauty in imperfection. And there you have it, old women boards transform into magical X-Max decoration. Each ore now carries the warmth of your creativity and the spirit of mindfulness making. This creative let your decor tell a story of love, care, and sustainability. Because the best decorations are not bought from stores, they are made with heart and hands. So take a moment to breathe, create, and enjoy the peaceful rhythm of joy of crafting. If you like the ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The more eco-friendly X-Max DIYs and mindful crafting inspiration. Wishing you a joyful, calm, and creative holiday season. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you so much. So stay with us. Stay tuned for more designs and tutorials. We are creating something new and different. Have a very nice and glorious day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. And we are trying to bring that amazing and unique crafting ideas. For more beautiful decor ideas, for more beautiful designs, we are creating some amazing and unique collection. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful day. God bless you all. Take care, and may your home fulfilled with craft, happiness, togetherness, and very beautiful design. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Have a very nice and beautiful